Are supplier risks draining your profits and slowing down your operations? If you are struggling to manage defective shipments, escalating cost, or supplier performance, this dashboard will be your ultimate game changer. As a business owner or operations manager, knowing where your risks lie is critical. The Supplier Risk Analysis Dashboard helps you track defects, cost, downtime, and supplier performance all in one place, giving you actionable insights to save money and improve efficiency. So now let's dive into the dashboard. First of all, we have our first key metric, which is total defect quality. It shows us how many items were defected in this quarter. And we have an improvement of 1.4% compared to last quarter. After that, we have our defected shipments for the quarter, and it is also down by 3.7%. Fewer defective shipments mean smoother operations and fewer disruptions. After that, we have our total cost for the quarter, which is 12 million. And it is also lower by 4% than the last quarter. Tracking these costs helps you identify where to cut unnecessary spending. And then we have our average downtime hours. This matrix 6 hours tells you how much production time you are losing due to supplier issues. An increase of 1.8% this quarter signals the need to address this immediately. Moving forward, we have defect quantity by month. This is the bar chart. This visual breaks down defects month by month. Notice the sharp spike in May, which is a major red flag that needs investigation. By pinpointing trends, you can take preventive measures and hold suppliers accountable. Moving forward, we have top 5 leading suppliers. Here, EdgeLab and Twitter Nation are leading, and they are taking most of our cost. Prioritizing improving quality with these vendors or consider alternative suppliers to reduce expenses. After that, we have cumulative cost comparison. This graph compares total cost for the selected quarter, red, versus the purple quarter, which is shown in purple. You can clearly see the upward trend in cost this quarter, helping you plan budget adjustments or renegotiations. After that, we have weekly average downtime hours. Downtime kills productivity. Week 18 and week 25 had the highest downtime at 7 hours. Identifying these spikes help you find causes, whether it's delays, poor quality materials, or supply chain bottlenecks. And then moving forward to our last visual of the dashboard, which is defect quantity by material. This bar chart highlights the materials with the most defects. Aluminium is leading with 18,288 defects, and copper is following it by 16,712 defects. These two are our top offenders. Prioritizing to improve quality checks or supplier performance for these critical materials. This dashboard isn't just data, it's a roadmap to improve your business operations. It solves key challenges like reducing supplier risk and defective products, cutting unnecessary costs and downtime, prioritizing actions by pinpointing problem areas like suppliers, materials, or timelines. Imagine a business where defective products are minimized, costs are controlled, and operations run seamlessly. That's the power of data-driven decisions. So this was it for today's video. Give us your feedback in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.